Hey guys, today I decided to share with you my new recipe. It's a pear crumble tart. It's very easy. I like it. One comments, one friend of mine, she wrote, I like your recipe, it's very easy. Yes, it is. I like to share with you only easy recipe because I am not chef and I like to bake. Okay, it is pear and crumble. Let's try it. It's very nice. What I like it in this recipe, it's on the top it's crumble. Of course it will be maybe better if you have ice cream or a little bit cream. Okay? I hope you will try it and I hope you like it. Thank you. Have a nice day.